Good day guys, welcome. If your Xfinity connection is slower than it should be, we're talking about the steps to troubleshoot and fix your speed on your Windows 11 PC. These tips cover both software and hardware fixes, and they're all safe and official. Right, so firstly guys, let us just go to speed test and just check your Wi-Fi speed in here. So just click on the link, navigate to it and check your speed. Just run a speed test. Another thing to try doing is restarting your router. So you just power off your Xfinity gateway or modem/router, wait about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Give it a few minutes to fully reconnect. Also, if you're on Wi-Fi, signal interference can slow things down. Try moving your PC closer to the router or using a less crowded Wi-Fi channel. You can also switch from 2.4 to 5 GHz for faster speeds if your device supports it. Sometimes also your network settings get stuck. So on Windows settings, you go to settings, network and internet, then Wi-Fi and known networks. And in here guys, you just select the network. As you can see, I don't have any because I don't use Wi-Fi. Click forget and then reconnect again by typing in the password again. Also guys, you can update your network drivers. For that, just type in Realtek Ethernet driver, for example. You go to the official page in here and download the executable. As you can see, they have the newest ones. They update them frequently, so just download one from here. And if nothing helps and the speed is still slow, you can contact this Xfinity support for further assistance because there may be a hardware issue. And that's it. Following these steps should improve your Xfinity internet speed. If this helped, like and subscribe for more networking and Windows tutorials.